Unlock the power of garlic, your secret weapon for better health. Garlic, a humble kitchen staple, has a wealth of nutritional value. Packed with vitamin C and B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber, it's a powerhouse providing important nutrients required for a healthy body. This magical ingredient contains a compound called allicin, which has potent medicinal properties. Allicin boosts the disease-fighting response of some types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses, like the ones that cause the common cold or flu. Garlic is also known for its heart-protective benefits. It aids in lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. With its unique combination of flavonoids and sulfur-rich nutrients, garlic provides optimal protection to your heart. Fourthly, garlic's ability to reduce the formation of blood clots helps prevent strokes. It slows the development of atherosclerosis, keeping your heart healthy and free from disease. Moving to the next benefit, garlic improves physical performance. It was traditionally used in ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. Today, it is used by athletes for peak performance. Garlic's high sulfur content is known to boost hair growth. Its antimicrobial properties also help kill germs and bacteria, which can improve scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation for a head full of hair. Additionally, garlic's antioxidants help protect against cell damage and aging. It can significantly contribute to longevity by fighting chronic diseases, like dementia and Alzheimer's. Did you know that garlic could also detoxify heavy metals in the body? Yes, high doses of garlic supplements have shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. Garlic is also beneficial for improving bone health. It minimizes bone loss by increasing estrogen levels in females, making it a superfood for women in their menopause stage. Lastly, garlic can help you live a longer life. While it's impossible to prove this scientifically for humans, it is plausible considering garlic's potential benefits for blood pressure, cholesterol, heart health, and immune function. In conclusion, garlic is a superfood with numerous health benefits. Whether it's fighting viruses, reducing blood pressure, or improving physical performance, garlic has a role to play in your wellness journey. Consuming garlic doesn't mean you have to put up with bad breath. There are various ways to incorporate it into your meals tastefully. Try it in your sauces, soups, roasted veggies, and even bread. Remember, the benefits of garlic are best realized when consumed raw or lightly cooked. When overcooked, it may lose some of its nutritional value. Yes, it's true that garlic might make your breath smell a bit, but the health benefits it offers are worth it. After all, health is wealth. Embrace the power of garlic in your diet and give your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Start today, and you'll see the difference it makes to your health journey. Remember, every step towards a healthier you is a step towards a better life. Let garlic be your secret weapon in this journey. Unlock the power of garlic for better health. Unleash the potential of garlic in your daily routine and witness significant improvements in your overall well-being. Don't wait. Start your garlic journey today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics.